now you be good today, Mr. Drone. We're gonna make a video about you. We're gonna tell the people at YouTube land what we got, man. We're gonna indoctrinate your presence into these people. Hey guys, they're gonna want to know what we got. Look, let's show them. We got a new bird. It's an impulsive wreck. Yeah, it's got a high fiber frame, an externalated capacinator, a Cadillac Visitor, and an XT30. I don't know what kind of camera it's got. It's one of them Cadillacs, and it's a 4-inch. See, 4 inches. What the hell? The hell's 4 inches about it? It don't look 4 inches to me, man. How do you do this? From top to bottom? No. Top to bottom? No. I don't know, man. They measure these things. I don't know what's 4 inches about it, but I sure hope it flies right. Let's find. I built it all by myself.
Granny was a mutant caterpillar with 2 heads. The left one was pure evil, the right one nice instead. She ended up a vegan with a taste for human flesh. The last time she got peckish, the streets are running red. The streets are running red. The streets are running red, red. Red, red, red. At the weekend she would quite enjoy making tons of toys for all the girls and boys. Out of nowhere she would snap and get a craving for human flesh. Hunting down people in the town, stomping all the buildings to the ground, ground, ground.
Well, that's going to take some getting used to. It's definitely faster. Definitely a quick little bird. I'm way faster than I'm used to, obviously, as you could tell from my wonderful flight.
Yeah, believe it or not, that was the best I could get on the show. Out of 6 packs, I flew 6 packs. The thing flew great, but that little clip of flying there is the best I could get out of it. I've got a problem with my phone stuttering and hesitating. Anyway, I got to fix my phone. I got to post some more videos. I got to get something to edit on. My phone doesn't seem to be doing the job anymore. I don't know why. Anyway, I got a lot to learn.
I got a lot of learning to do, but a lot of fun too, man. A lot of fun. A couple little problems with it. I think it was a little jerky at some points. I don't know why. I'm sure a lot of it was me, but there was some parts where it wasn't me. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you don't subscribe, thanks anyway. You all have a nice day now. Peace, love, happiness. Bye-bye.
Smell you later.